Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see the message saying something went wrong in the CIBC app, this is usually a temporary system issue. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, then close the app completely. After that, reopen it. Next, you're going to go ahead and check for app updates in the App Store. Open the App Store, search for the app, and then check whether you have updated your app or not. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it. After that, restart your phone to clear any temporary errors. If the message appears during peak hours, wait for a few minutes and try again. If the error keeps appearing, log out and log back in to reset the session, and that's it. Subscribe for